Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video I'm going to tell you the most easiest method through which you can install or upgrade Windows 11 25 H2. So let's start. So first of all, you have to go onto the official website, type onto the Chrome Windows 11 download, then you have to go into the official website Microsoft. Once you click onto the first link, then you will have this page. Then you have to scroll down it. Once you scroll down, then you have to select the Windows 11 multi edition, then you have to confirm it. Once you confirm it, then you have to select the language, but before selecting the language you have to confirm your system language first. So then you have to type so your system language is English United States, so you have to select English United States, then confirm. Then you have to click onto the download and downloading will start instantly. So I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save time, and so let me show you the ISO. uh, so downloading has been started, you can see that, and because I have already downloaded the ISO, so let me close it and let me show you the ISO. So ISO is already there. Now you have to go onto the Chrome browser and then you have to type, then you have to go onto the first link. Once you click onto the first link, then you will have this page. Then you have to scroll down it, scroll down it, scroll down it. Then you have to click onto the new download, and then you have to scroll down it, 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 and then you have to download this, and once it is downloaded, then wait for a second. Now it is downloaded. Now you have, once you download it, then you have to go onto the download section, then cut the zip file, and then you have to come onto the desktop, and then you have to paste here, and then you have to extract, and then you have to right click on it and run as administrator. Yes. Then you have to click onto the Windows 11 upgrade, click on run, then you have to select the ISO, so once you click onto the ISO, then it will take some time. Okay, wait for a second. So Windows installation has been started. Not right now. Next. So it will take around 2 to 3 minutes. Let me stop this video, and once it is done I will be back. So it is checking the PC requirement. It would take some time. So once we have the second screen, I will resume this video, or I will be back. So now we have this page, so we will accept it, and we will keep all the files and data as it is. Hit next. Now it is ready for the installation, so it would take some time. I will be back shortly. So now finally we have the installation page ready to install. You can see that, and now we have to simply click onto the install button. So installation has been started instantly, and it will take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. After that, installation will be done. Once the installation done, I will be back to install the Windows 11 25H2. So I will be back shortly. So Windows 11 25H2 has been successfully installed. Now you can enjoy the latest features of Windows 11 25H2. And thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Thank you. Bye bye.